Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Hannah Jane, and this year I'm gonna be a sophomore at the University of Georgia. Now this is so exciting because today is my move-in day. UGA is doing a hybrid program, so it's half online, half in-person classes, so all students are allowed back to campus, and I am just so thrilled and ecstatic to be back. I've missed Athens more than anything, and I'm just so excited to get home. However, there's a slight problem with my living situation. So I'm in a sorority, and being a sophomore means we get to live in the house. And our house has been under renovation for the past year, and it's gonna look so good when it's done. Keyword, when it's done. So unfortunately, due to Corona, construction got delayed quite a bit. So today we are going to be moving into a hotel, and we will be living there for the next 2 to 3 months. So obviously this is an ideal situation for anyone, but I'm just really blessed and thankful that I get to go back in the first place. That if it means I have to live in a hotel room, so be it. I'm just trying to make the best of the situation, whatever that may be. And honestly, it's kind of iconic. Like, I mean, Zach and Cody are so cool, and I always thought as a kid that living in a hotel was like the sickest thing ever. So I just get to fulfill my dreams now, and it may not be the Tifton Hotel, but we're gonna make it work, and I'm just excited and ready to get back to school. That being said, I have everything packed in my car. I'm all ready to go, so let's hit the road. Okay, so I just got into the hotel and I had to unpack super quick and throw my stuff everywhere. So sorry I couldn't show that, but I'll show you what I'm working with. Low-key, this hotel is kind of bougie. I mean, yes, small, but honestly it's bigger than my dorm room last year. So I'm really not complaining, and I get my own bathroom, which I wouldn't in the sorority house and didn't in my dorm room, so that's nice. But yeah, it's a nice hotel for a hotel, and I brought some of these little storage things, so I honestly might get another one, and that's gonna help a lot because the closet is a little tiny, but I feel like I can make it work with these things and everything else. So yeah, I'm gonna start unpacking because this isn't gonna do it. And we'll see what I can do with this. You've probably already seen this trick, but just put a trash bag over your clothes on the hangers, so that way when you get there, you literally just have to take the trash bag off, and voila. Makes life so much easier because then you have to hang up everything. So this is basically my kitchen. I don't want to buy a meal plan because that's so much money and I don't want it for 2 months. So I'm literally going to be living off that mini fridge, doesn't have a freezer, and this microwave. So I brought like a little Brita so I can have water. There's a NutriBullet back there so I can make some smoothies. And then this is just a mess. So I'm thinking I need to get a little container to store all that. But I just have a whole bunch of like cups and bowls and different little kitchen utensils and stuff. So I'm going to try to be Gordon Ramsay with a microwave. I think what I'm most excited for is I bought a Keurig to use. The hotel room is supposed to come with a coffee maker, but I coincidentally don't even have one in here, so it works out that I brought this. Yeah, because if I'm gonna be surviving off of a mini fridge, I thought I might as well have a nice coffee. I'm so dumb. I have been building this entire little shoe rack, and this is how it's supposed to go, right? Yeah, well, I built it like that on this side. So I've been taking all of them off after assembling the whole thing, and now I gotta redo it. So I'm running into the issue where I need organizers. I need like baskets and buckets and all that kind of stuff in order to put stuff away, because I just have this right now and I can't find places to put the stuff. So I'm gonna go on a Target run and try to find some things, and hopefully then I can put the rest of this together. All right, so we made a pit stop on the way to Target. Someone was very hungry and we got some pizza and salad, but look at this pizza. It is so good. Like, that is a huge slice of pizza. What'd you get? You got pepperoni. Pepperoni. And then this is a Caesar salad. It's from Starlin's. Never been here, so interesting to try. But yeah, so we're just getting some food, trying to power up, and then we're gonna go to Target and literally buy half the store. Like, look at this pizza. The grease is sparkling, but ooh. Katie Beth spilled a salad dressing all over her shirt. Let's show that. Yep. So she's buying a stain remover just so she can remove it right now. So extra. I also should introduce you. This is gonna be my roommate, Katie Beth, once we get into the sorority house. For now, she's just living in the hotel next to me, the hotel room next to me, but yeah, that's her. That's all you need to know about her. Yeah. How do you think that looks better? Cause it'll dry. So not to be dramatic, but I think every college student and their mother is here. The line to checkout stretches all the way from the checkouts across the store. So I literally think I'll have to wait in that for like an hour. So it's really ridiculous. Like, look, like every UGA student cleared out the shelves. There's nothing in this store.
I'm for sale.
Oh wait, there's something. I hate you. All right, we got some stuff at Target, just like some essentials, some basics. But we are going to Walmart now because Target is overrun by dogs. So yeah. Katie Beth did find a drawer set, which she shoved all of her groceries in because she's innovative like that. So that'll be easier to carry in. But I didn't find anything. Walmart was kind of overrun too. But that figure is considered every college student is moving in like either today or like later this weekend. So, oh well, we'll just have to look some other time. So Target and Walmart were both a bust. We were trying to find little bins and storage boxes for below the nightstands. There's a huge opening right there, so we're thinking we could store clothes down there if we had bins, and then we wanted a bin to put above the fridge so this doesn't all fall down everywhere, and then ones to go in the closet down there and up top, and then also in the bathroom. And unfortunately, Target and Walmart both had literally nothing, just because every UGA student's basically moving in this week, so it's just a lot. So I may have to order something. I don't really know, because this is my situation right now, and I don't really know what to do about it, so yeah. All right, right now I'm just trying to clear off my bed. It's just a huge heap of clothes. These bins have been helping a lot, give me a lot of space. I'm kind of thinking I might grab the second one because I have another one of these at home from my old dorm. So I may grab that one, but these little drawers also help a lot. Again, I'm just reusing all the stuff from my old dorm. If you saw that video, literally basically everything I have right now is from that. So it's really cool that I didn't have to like buy anything for this, especially since this is only a temporary situation. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, we're getting there. Maybe eventually I'll finish. I don't know. So Katie Beth had this ivory that we're gonna put in our sorority house room once we get it, but she had a whole bunch and she took it, so we're taking it and we're putting it on the mirrors, and then we're putting it on top of the bed. I think it just looks so cute and makes it feel so much more homey. All right, y'all, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. It is super, super late at night. I've been packing and organizing all day. I still have a lot of work to do, but I'll give you a little overview of what I got going on. So over here, I have my shoe rack and just like my aromatherapy. And then this is really nice up here. We have a whole little ledge to use. Hey. So I'm gonna get some more like decorations and storage to go up there. Please don't mind the boxes. And then over here, I'm setting up like my little vanity, have all my makeup, my little mirror. And then I will clean this up. It'll be my desk, and I have my Keurig. And then here is the kitchen. I have a bunch of like food and stuff in these drawers, and then more in here, but I'll get some storage organizer for those. And then on this side, I have this cube organizer, which is actually from my old dorm room, so it's really cool that I already had it. And I have another one that I may get, and so it just looks a little more balanced. But that's been super helpful. I have all my clothes in there. The closet, I'm still working on hanging up some stuff. We have a lot more room, so I need to address that situation going on. And then the bathroom, I'm still working on this too. I need to get an organizer for down there because right now everything's just thrown. But yeah, so it's coming together. Honestly, this hotel room is bigger than any dorm room I've ever been in, so I can work with it, and yeah, it's gonna be a great time. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below, because I'll be posting a lot more videos soon. So thank you so much for watching, and go dogs.